दिल पे पत्थर रख के मैंने मेकअप कर लिया मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया। तो ये क्या सच है कि मेकअप करके आप ब्रेकअप का दर्द हील कर सकते हैं?
I said, what do you think? How is your relationship working so well? आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, दोनों ने साथ में पीछे मुड़ के बोला सेक्स। हमें भी कितना डर लगता है ना कि अगर मैंने डिजायर दिखा दिया तो यार मेरा लड़का क्या सोचेगा मेरे बारे में। वाओ शी सो सेक्सुअली हाई, इसके तो क्या हुआ होगा पास्ट में। वी आर ऑल्सो जज्ड वेरी रॉन्गली बाय द सोसाइटी, बाय द men, बाय अदर women. When I am in a relationship, I always have this one part of my body touching my partner, but I have a pillow on one side. Yeah,
One finger
So
there.
15 minutes cuddle, then one finger or leg or bum. So there are times when we are in the process of reaching orgasm. Okay, but why last minute we were like, fuck, I lost it.
We have with us Shruti Lakhotia, who's a life coach for intimacy and self-love. Hi Shruti, how are you?
Hi, I'm well. How are you?
I'm good. एक क्वेश्चन ये पूछना था कि सब लोग तो ये पूछते हैं कि प्यार क्या होता है। I want to ask you, intimacy क्या होती है? What exactly is intimacy?
So intimacy is जो प्यार को complete करता है. So everybody thinks intimacy is sex. It's not just sex, because until I think 7-8 years ago, मुझे खुद को लगता था that when we used to talk about sex, I was like, oh, I was intimate with that guy.
Okay.
लेकिन then we realized that intimacy is of 4 types.
Oh.
There's emotional, there's intellectual, there's spiritual, and there's sexual. And all these 4 combined together, and that is when a full love is created. Yeah.
तो लव जो है वो इंटिमेसी से बनता है, आप ये कह रही हैं।
Absolutely.
ओके, तो आज जो हम लोग मेनली डिस्कस करेंगे वो
जी।
ये है कि ब्रेकअप और हीलिंग में इंटिमेसी का क्या रोल है, क्या योगदान है।
Wow.
ओके, सो उससे हमें इससे एक गाना याद आता है कि दिल पे पत्थर रख के मैंने मेकअप कर लिया मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया। तो ये क्या सच है कि मेकअप करके आप ब्रेकअप का दर्द हील कर सकते हैं?
So आप बोल रहे हो कि मेकअप करके you're basically hiding the pain.
राइट
Correct? आप उसी की बात कर रहे हो ना?
राइट।
तब अब I'll be very honest with you, दुनिया के सामने तो हम दिखा नहीं सकते ज़्यादा पेन. It's very difficult, right? To show your vulnerability.
करेक्ट।
तो वो पेन तो है, आपने ब्रेकअप कर लिया, तो अब उसे मेकअप करके आप दुनिया को दिखा सकते हो, बट अंदर से जो ब्लॉकेजेस क्रिएट हुए हैं, द पेन दैट यू आर कैरिंग फ्रॉम इनसाइड, वो आपका फ्यूचर के लिए इज नॉट हेल्दी. सो इट नीड्स एन आउटलेट, इट नीड्स टू कम आउट. एक तरीका होता है जिससे आप वो ब्लॉकेज को निकाल के आप मूव ऑन कर सकते हैं. It takes time, I'm not denying it, but that is the work I do as an intimacy and a self-love coach. So what I help people is, मैं उनको help करती हूँ कि ये पेन से कैसे navigate करना है, और जो उनके साथ हुआ, क्यों हुआ, और ये वापस नहीं हो, how can we take care of that and become stronger? Because most times क्या होता है जब हमारा breakup होता है ना, हम खुद को भूल जाते हैं. We forget self-love. So how do you bring back that self-love is where I come into the picture.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll go on to that self-love thing also. But उससे पहले
100%.
I want to, I've read somewhere that around 92% of breakups are linked to issues like lack of intimacy, communication gaps, and trust problems, with intimacy being a major underlying factor.
Yes.
So
yes.
is it true that intimacy की वजह से breakups हो रहे हैं?
हाँ, हो रहे हैं ना. So intimacy, as I said, emotional है, इंटेलेक्चुअल है, स्पिरिचुअल है और सेक्सुअल है, राइट? अब अगर आप इन चारों को तोड़ के बात करो, तो सेक्सुअल इज ट्रू, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस इन सेक्सुअल लिबिडो.
ओके, व्हाट इज दैट?
सो सेक्सुअल लिबिडो इज बेसिकली आपकी जो डिजायर्स हैं सेक्सुअल, वो डिफरेंट होती हैं. करेक्ट? फॉर एग्जांपल ऐसा कहते हैं men have higher desires than women.
Really?
Yeah.
But is that true?
It is to a certain extent, because see, women don't lose their desires, they genuinely disconnect from it. Now as women and as kids, हम especially women, हमने intimacy और sex के बारे में we've only spoken about it in whispers and shame. हमें बोला sex sacred है, you should only have sex with the man that you're in love with, and वो भी after marriage. And men were still bolder about it. You know, उन्हें allowed था to have these conversations. वो तो बचपन में मजाक करते थे, अरे I have scored, by scoring by, I've had sex with a woman and everything. So unke liye normal, it was very normal for them. So it was easy for them to have these desires and hold these desires. But for a woman, जिनको 20 साल तक 25 साल तक बोला है to hold on to the desire, अब suddenly after marriage आप बोलोगे कि come and explode with it. It's very difficult. She also needs to feel safe with that man. For a woman, the biggest thing is safety, uski safety, emotional and physical safety. How she feels about her partner. Jiske karan wo in that sexual intimacy piece, then she can have the same level of desire with communication, not being judged. अब हमें भी कितना डर लगता है ना कि अगर मैंने डिजायर दिखा दिया तो यार मेरा लड़का क्या सोचेगा मेरे बारे में. Wow, she's so sexually high. इसके तो क्या हुआ होगा पास्ट में. We are also judged very wrongly by the society, by the men, by other women. Fact.
Worse.
Ji. Yeah. So sexual intimacy is also a very big reason for breakups and people going out and having affairs and cheating on their partners and all of that. फिर आता है intellectual intimacy. Okay. Now intellectual intimacy क्या होता है? For example, आप और मैं बात कर रहे हैं. अब मैं आपको कुछ समझाने जा रही हूँ, लेकिन आपको लगता है कि आपको मुझसे ज्यादा पता है. And I'm talking about a partner. ठीक है? तो instead of listening to me, आप अपनी ज्ञान डाल रहे हो back. You have a reaction, very quick reaction. You're not even listening to me. So holding space for your partner is also intellectual intimacy. Okay. और कब अपने partner से कब क्या कहना है, कब नहीं कहना है. Having that love and understanding towards each other, वो intellectual intimacy होती है, जो भी missing है आजकल. क्योंकि आज सब तोप बन के घूम रहे हैं कि हमें तो सब पता, हमें सब आता है. Correct? So that is a mismatch. Spiritually also now a lot of people are into meditations and yoga and religious भी हो रहे हैं. Now if their partners are not at the same level, वो भी कई बार disconnect हो जाता है. By spiritual I mean energy exchange. Partners में energy exchange होता है even when they're sexually in bed with each other. Okay. These are all very important factors. And emotional तो आप जानते ही हो. Right. Emotional even validation नहीं मिलता, प्यार नहीं मिलता, respect नहीं मिलता. Like men love being appreciated and respected. Ab if he's not getting that, he will feel disconnected. Sorry? I mean, so do women. Right? Yeah. No, I'm saying, but they run on that. Okay. We run on love. Okay. हमें प्यार दो. उन्हें प्यार से ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट और अप्रिसिएशन चाहिए. Okay. तो अगेन इसमें भी डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है. So this all leads to the breakups. अच्छा. तो लाइक आपके पास जो क्लाइंट्स आते हैं आपके, इन चारों टाइप्स ऑफ इंटिमेसी में सबसे ज्यादा किस चीज को लेकर के बात होती है? लाइक सबसे ज्यादा इंटेलेक्चुअल एंड सेक्सुअल. आई थिंक इमोशनल का लेस गेम है. ओके. आई थिंक पीपल आर स्टिल देयर to understand how to emotionally love their partners, both men and women. But gap sexual intimacy में है और intellectual intimacy में है. Okay. जहाँ पे आप बैठ के समझ नहीं पा रहे हो आपका पार्टनर क्या कह रहा है, उनके desires क्या हैं. Because as I said, there's a libido difference ना, desires में भी difference है. So that is the biggest problem today. और उसके कारण insecurities हो रही है, self love जा रहा है. हम अपने आप को ही पहले कह रहे हैं कि मेरे में ही गलती होगी. And we are doing that sometimes. If we really love our partners, beyond the point हमें लगता है यार मैं तो इतना प्यार करती हूँ उससे, मैं तो कुछ तो मैं गलत कर रही हूँ. So we lose ourselves in that process. So I teach people to come back to themselves. फिर वो confidence के साथ उस relationship में जाओ. Then it'll work even better. So it's about filling that gap that is lost. Okay. अच्छा, अगर अनहेल्दी रिलेशनशिप कोई है बट देन यू हैव ग्रेट सेक्स, तो क्या डज इट होल्ड दैट रिलेशनशिप लॉन्गर? इट डज. आई विल टेल यू अ स्टोरी. आई एम सो ग्लैड यू आस्क्ड मी दिस क्वेश्चन. ये 2 महीने पहले की बात है. सो आई प्ले स्पोर्ट्स, so I've made some new friends. It's a new tribe that we have created. So now we go out dancing and all of that. तो एक कपल था जिनके साथ मैं गई थी एंड वी वर कमिंग बैक 1:30-2 बजे एंड दे वर सिटिंग इन द फ्रंट एंड ड्राइविंग एंड द हस्बैंड वाज ड्राइविंग, द वाइफ वाज हियर और मैं पीछे बैठ रही ऐसे बीच में रास्ते को देख रही थी. एंड आई सॉ देम रियली हैप्पी and I knew that they've been married for like 13-14 years and they have a child and 2 dogs. And I asked them a very simple question. I said, what do you think, how is your relationship working so well? आप believe नहीं करोगे, दोनों ने साथ में पीछे मुड़ के बोला सेक्स. I am not joking.
Okay.
And I was like, I know it works because even when I was in a 7-year-long relationship, because the sex was so beautiful and it was so respectful and connected, it lasted longer because there was a lot of toxicity also in that relationship from both our sides. I thought I am some entitled girl. I am such a nice person. I was also making mistakes. But that I found out after I went in therapy. But the sex kept the relationship healthy also. So ये बहुत ज़रूरी है because again these are hormones that are real. जो हैं हम सब में हैं. Women have estrogen.
Right.
And they have happy hormones. Men have testosterone, dopamine. All of these are real energies and hormones that we have, and they need to be released. तो वो है, sex is so important. So important.
अच्छा, तो लाइक कपल्स में कौन सी ऐसी चीज है विच दे इग्नोर इतना ज्यादा कि वो एकदम लास्ट मतलब लेट हो जाती हैं, यू नो इट इज टू लेट नाउ. तो what is that intimacy which they ignore?
So I think they still try to work on the sexual relationship part. Agar, okay, I'll be honest. I think sexual intimacy and intellectual intimacy दोनों equally बर्बाद state में हैं आज.
Okay.
Fact.
That's
okay?
the statement.
Yes.
Okay.
दोनों हैं. Ego बहुत आ गया है सब में. बात ही नहीं करनी है ठीक से. Discuss ही नहीं करना है. And sex को लेके क्या हो गया है ना? Now women were taught that their desires don't matter. Fair? A lot of us, we were not talking about it properly.
Right.
हम उसे ऐसे whispers में बात कर रहे थे. अब क्या हो गया है? Women have started feeling कि हम sex object हैं. ये तो भाई हमारे पास आता है सिर्फ sex के लिए. Which is not always true. The point is that for men, it is a much deeper energy exchange compared to us because their testosterone is way higher. You know, and they need it. They need to remove it. That's why they masturbate. They see porn. Ab addictions ho gaye ladkon ko. All types of addictions. I'm not going to get into that here publicly because they're so dark, some of them, that it's crazy.
But I think we can talk about it.
We can?
Yeah, of course we can.
So going to spas for massages and all at the end, you know, to release then prostitution, addiction to porn. And now this dark world has come where kinks are spoken about so openly, about threesomes, orgies. There's too much happening because of porn, which has become a massive addiction today, especially in men.
Okay.
It's 98%. There was a real study done where 98% of this world was more men and less women. Yeah, I'm talking about India kind of a place.
Okay.
Yeah.
Petty state. अच्छा
है ना?
अच्छा, लाइक ब्रेकअप होता है, माइंड ने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है कि दैट पर्सन इज गॉन नाउ, बट क्या बॉडी अभी भी क्रेव करती है फॉर द सेम?
ऑफ कोर्स यार. Yeah, so it's a game of a nervous system. ये आपको समझाती हूँ मैं in the coaching language.
Okay.
Our nervous system gets used to some things. For example, if you have broken up, but the sex was great. So every time you went into that relationship, if the toxicity was also there, by the act of the sexual performance, you become healthy again because your nervous system only found that as your safe space. तो वो आपको मिस होता है. So that's when people immediately after they break up, वो पहली चीज़ क्या करते हैं? They go and find rebounds. वो dating apps पे जा रहे हैं, अब लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं just to have sex because that was their nervous system was habitual to that. Making sense?
Yeah,
There's a little science to this.
Right.
And similarly, if the sex was not great, but the emotions were great and because sex अच्छा नहीं था, तो breakup हो गया, तो बाहर जाके लोग emotional relationships ढूंढ रहे हैं. But at the end of the day, it's a pattern.
Right.
Which our nervous system is used to, जिसके कारण हमारी body used to हो जाती है वो act के. Now, why is your body used to that act? Because it's repetitive.
Right.
उसके कारण आपका nervous system तभी काम रहता है क्योंकि आपने वो एक survival mode ढूंढ लिया है अपने लिए. To keep yourself calm. So of course you will. That's why I say it's not even me about selling my work or looking for new clients through all of this. This is the need of the hour.
बट क्या रीबाउंड सेक्स से हीलिंग होती है या फिर वो और ज्यादा इमोशनल टॉर्चर हो जाता है?
It is because आप दलदल में धंसे हुए हो अभी, निकलने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, इमेजिन आप फिर से वही कर रहे हो, बिकॉज सबसे बड़ी बात ये है दैट सेक्स इज इमोशनल. I want people to know this. Sex is emotional. If you have slept with the same person more than 3 to 4 times, man or woman, you will get connected to them. It's a real energy exchange. और ये लोग, they don't want to believe it.
I mean, I don't get कि उन लोगों के दिमाग में क्या रहता है, those who have multiple partners.
Yeah.
और आप एक साथ you're engaging in sexual activities and मतलब क्या कुछ भी इमोशंस नहीं रह जाते हैं या क्या सीन है?
It's more about validation and ये जो मैं so there are 2 reasons why people do this.
Okay.
एक तो validation के लिए कि I am performing, I am so good, I've done this, I've done that. ये खुद को प्रूव करने के लिए होता है. और नंबर 2 होता है ना, we are very curious animals. As humans we're very curious. हमें सब चीज़ जाननी है, हमें सब चीज़ पता करनी है कि क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. तो as soon as you hear something new, our mind is now getting distracted. Okay, I have done this basic sexual activity, दाल चावल. अब ये एक एक्स्ट्रा तड़का डाल के देखते हैं कि भाई उससे क्या फील हो रहा है मुझे. And then it's a slippery slope. जहाँ पर
आज मिक्स वेज बनाते हैं.
And then then it's full तेल वाला toxic, unhealthy stuff that you've entered into.
Okay.
That's how it happens.
अच्छा, मतलब एक ब्रेकअप के बाद अगर आप नेक्स्ट रिलेशनशिप में मूव कर रहे हैं तो इज देयर एनी स्पेसिफिक टाइम कि आपको सेम फीलिंग्स वापस फील करने के लिए एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम चाहिए, कुछ ऐसा होता है?
हाँ, अब मैं आपको इसमें ना मेरा एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. सो आई गॉट मैरिड व्हेन आई वाज 24. एट 26 आई गॉट डिवोर्स्ड.
ओके.
3 साल तक आई वाज सिंगल, फोकसिंग ऑन माय वर्क. यू नो वी ऑलवेज फाइंड समथिंग टू कि हम जिस पे escape कर ले. तो I found that as my work. When I turned 29, I met a man and मेरी गलती पता है क्या थी? जो भी मेरी मैरिज में नहीं वर्कआउट हुआ, without healing from it, मैंने वो पूरे expectations उस आदमी पे डाल दिए कि अब तुम्हारा ही काम है. It is your job to do what he didn't do.
Oh.
So that is wrong also, right? That means I'm not healed. And I created an even bigger drama in that relationship.
Okay.
So I was majorly at fault.
I'm so proud of you accepting it like that. Like, people don't.
But that is the only way, my love. You have to stand up and say, okay, I am making a mistake. If it's going wrong, कुछ तो हम भी कर रहे हैं ना गलत. So I went in therapy. तब मुझे ये सब पता चला. Not at that time. It's after I took help and I seeked help and I understood how our psychology works. कितना आसान है. So there's no timeline to it. But you have to do some work. And ज़रूरी नहीं है कि therapist के पास ही जाना है. Right? Everybody can't afford a therapist. I understand that. But एक safe space create करो अपने लिए जहाँ पे आप ये सब बातें कर सकते हो. क्योंकि the problem है, सबको क्या लग रहा है कि दुनिया में अगर मेरे साथ ही प्रॉब्लम्स चल रहे हैं. लुक एट एवरीबडी एल्स, दे आर इन सच ग्रेट रिलेशनशिप्स. इट्स वेरी रेयर एवरीबडी इज इन ग्रेट रिलेशनशिप्स. बिहाइंड 4 क्लोज्ड डोर्स क्या चल रहा है, वी डोंट नो. सो आई नीड यू टू एक्सेप्ट दैट ओके, इट्स ओके, देयर इज अ जेन्युइन सफरिंग राइट नाउ इन द वर्ल्ड. और एक्सेप्ट करना कि ओके, आई नीड हेल्प, आई कैन टॉक टू समवन अबाउट इट, जहाँ मैं जज नहीं हूँ. वो एक नया ट्राइब बनाना बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ में.
हाँ, तो बेसिकली अगर आप एक दूसरी रिलेशनशिप में गए हैं तो एक कांस्टेंट प्रेशर नहीं होता है कि यू ऑलवेज कंपेयरिंग, इवन द टचेस यू आर कंपेयरिंग मे बी. वही ना, बिकॉज पहले के एक्सपेक्टेशंस फिर हम यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं ना कि इफ आई डिडंट गेट दिस, आई वांट इट फ्रॉम दिस नाउ. बट बिफोर दैट, the first part of starting a new relationship is first creating that healthy relationship with this new person. कि भाई मेरे साथ ये हुआ था, I am lost, I may put this on you, I don't want to, so let's have a very open communicated relationship जहाँ कोई किसी को judge नहीं कर रहा है. Correct.
And everybody has a past now. Let's accept that. That is very important.
अच्छा, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि the other partner is not ready to listen to your previous relationship की कहानियाँ and all that. So is it good or is it bad?
It's not a good partner only, no, to be with. Why would you want to be with someone who's जो आपके past को completely disconnected है और delete कर रहा है आपकी life से? वो आपका बहुत एक it was a very important part of your life. So if you're going to someone जो उसको बोल रहा है नहीं मुझे बात ही नहीं करनी है, run away. It's very important to talk about your past. Full open honesty.
But then अगर उसकी तरफ से देखें तो it's like एक ही चीज पे आप कितना रो रहे हो
नहीं, I'm not talking about बार coming and talking to your partner about it, but at least having a safe space कि ये मेरे थे problems past में, I'm just sharing it with you, and then we also have to hold ourselves accountable कि हम भी बार जाके एक ही बात नहीं करें, just because someone has created a safe space, right? But it has to be balanced. दोनों side से balance बहुत जरूरी है. Making sense?
Yeah, definitely. Okay. So, what's one thing you wish every person would do in the first 30 days after their breakup?
I love this question. Nobody's asked me this, huh? The one thing that they should do in the first 30 days.
30 days.
I think go and start a new activity.
Okay.
Jisme there's cardio, there's happiness, you're passionate about it. Whether it's a new sports that you've taken up, whether it's dancing, singing, art, do something where your body is moving. There's an energy flow. And it really helps regulate your hormones. And घर पे बैठे sulking in that space is not going to help. Again, therapy is important. I will give that also as one of the top 3 things to do.
Okay.
But number 1 is you need to go out and do something different from what you've already done in the past.
तभी breakups के बाद mostly लोग बहुत fit हो जाते हैं because they're like doing cardio and things like that. Right?
Yeah. But I think gym is important. I agree. Weightlifting muscles are important. But I'm talking about a flow. Like do an activity जहाँ पे आपकी creative energies flow हो रही है.
Okay.
Through dancing or sports or something like that.
Right.
Where your dopamine is coming back, you're hitting that levels of happiness. Go for stand-up comedies, laugh. Laughter, bringing back laughter and creativity in your life is very important at this time.
Correct.
Yeah.
अच्छा, एक saying है कि time heals everything. सुनने में अच्छा लगता है, but does it?
It can. Depends on the work you do. See, सब अपने पे है. Time definitely heals. Like my dad passed away more than 3 years ago.
Does time heal या फिर you just get used to
you have to accept. At the end of the day, you have to accept. But what is the work you are doing in that? See, time can be 10 years also. Time can be 3 years also. Now, a loss of a father I'm never going to get healed from it per se. But मैं अपने आप पे क्या काम कर रही हूँ, so it becomes easier for me to accept this. How do I make myself stronger to do better in life? Right? Similarly, that works even for relationships. If you've broken up, what is the work you're doing on yourself? बार उसी चीज में रह के being in that victim mentality, oh my god मेरा breakup हो गया, this victim mentality से निकलना बहुत जरूरी है. Like I used to be like, oh god my dad is gone, oh god my boyfriend is gone, oh my god, this victim mentality. Okay, this is life, people are going to go.
सबके साथ हो ही रहा है.
सबके साथ हो रहा है. Everybody, you will lose someone in your life, whether as a relationship piece or through death. ये fact है. We have to be prepared. और उसके बाद how do you handle your next months and years, वो आप पे depend करता है कि कितना time लगेगा. But you have to do the work. It's not magic कि बैठे बैठे हो गया. That's not gonna happen.
Tell us some interesting stories about your clients. Like obviously you'll not name anybody, but like sex की वजह से divorce हो रहा है. Something as blank as this.
So one thing I noticed is there's a disconnect between men and women, right, in the sexual intimacy piece. And it's happening more in married couples. And women jo older hai, now they are in their 35, 40s and 50s. And they've had kids or whatever. and now आपकी body change हो रही है with certain age, body insecurities आ रही है, you gain weight also once you go older, and if you're not taking care of yourself. Now the problem ये आ रही है that women are disconnecting from their desires, and that is the biggest problem today, where there are also good men who love their wives, who respect their wives, but they are not getting enough sexual intimacy, and the women are not even working on it because उन्हें education नहीं है that them coming back to their desires is healthy for their health.
So how do women work on that? Like, what is the procedure?
There's seriously take help. मेरे reels हैं, कितने reels हैं when I'm talking about this.
Okay.
Just follow someone who's talking about this in a very healthy way. Like when I am talking to my clients, I don't make a woman feel like, oh, you know what, your man needs sex, so you have to do this. No.
Okay.
I'm saying you need to come back to sexuality for your own health also. So automatically this will also help the relationship flourish because you're going back to intimacy with your partner. Plus you're taking care of your own physical health. Right? I was talking, there's आपका cortisol level improve होता है, hormone improve होता है, nervous system improve होता है. This disconnection is huge. I'm actually helping women in their 40s and 45s today. So the journey to this is not directly going and having sex with your husband or your partner. No.
Okay.
The journey, if you've disconnected and you're coming back, is to first explore this space yourself alone. Learn to come back to desires, touch yourself, masturbate, do things that you're doing in your own safe space right now. First, come back to your own sexuality. Feel sexy again. Feel desired again. Feel those emotions again, the tingling, you know, the orgasms. Once you're healthy there, then go to your partner. ये सबसे बड़ा pandemic है आज, and because of which there's so much loneliness. I have such beautiful men and women as my clients who come from beautiful, happy marriages, but they're disconnected sexually. They're scared. The men are like, oh my God, I don't want to go out and cheat on my wife. What do I do? What do I do? Please help me. And now when I ask them to send their wives to me, 10 में से 8 आते नहीं हैं, because they think I am going to teach them to go back to their husband just as a sex object, which is not the work I do. I would never do that to another woman. You know, but this fear is very strong. So this is my biggest challenge today.
So do you also have clients, women clients who complain that I'm not satisfied, orgasm nahi ho raha hai?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, they are also. So
but what is the percentage? Like if you compare, who is more dissatisfied between men and women?
यार तो comparison की बात नहीं आती है क्योंकि women तो disconnect ही हो रहे हैं ना desires से.
Okay.
So for them, sexual satisfaction is not even a big deal right now. But yeah, men are more dissatisfied today. Okay. Even if women are okay with desires, because the women were not taught how to show their desires in bed, how to talk about it. Because they're scared na कि मेरा पति क्या सोचेगा? What will my partner think about me? They're so scared to even talk about it today कि वहीं पे भी disconnect आ रहा है that women don't know what to do in bed. So they're not that active, they're not present, they're not taking charge. Now a man also wants their woman to take charge, right? So वो वहाँ है disconnect.
Okay.
It's huge.
So because you were talking about self-love and masturbation, so how much masturbation is too much masturbation for men and for women?
Okay. I think masturbation is very healthy for both men and women. एक तो ये भी एक problem है. Women think if my husband is masturbating, he's cheating on me.
Yes, I know such people.
Right?
Yeah.
He's not. He has a high libido. He has high testosterone. You help him, no. You be a part of that process, and once in a while, if he is, it's okay. But if you talk about the number game and all, I think 2-3 times a week masturbation is healthy. There's nothing wrong with it.
Okay.
Every day.
For both the genders?
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. It's absolutely fine. But my disconnect is when you're only masturbating to porn. So porn is a world that is not the real world. It is created. It's an imaginary space. अब अगर आप वहाँ पे excessive masturbation कर रहे हो, when you're coming back to real life, it's a totally different scene. So because you are seeing things and your body is getting used to it, your penis is getting used to it, your hormones are getting used to it, correct?
So it's
As a
better
man,
to imagine than to
imagine, or
Okay.
or masturbate in front of your woman, you know, it doesn't matter.
Right.
Making sense?
Yeah. Okay, so some quick questions.
Tell me.
One thing that's sexier than good looks.
One thing that's sexier than good looks. I think for me, the sexiest thing in a man, other than looks, is when a man is present, yaar. He's listening to me. He holds space for me कि मैं कुछ कह रही हूँ और उसे याद रहता है कि मैंने वो कहा था. I think that is very important, holding space. That is intellectual intimacy for me.
Okay.
You know, being present and listening. क्योंकि men की भी आदत है. You know, कि सबकी आदत है आज, even women are doing it, कि before I complete a statement I have an answer. अच्छा हाँ, you can do this. I don't want that all the time. मुझे हर बार solution नहीं चाहिए. Sometimes I just want you to stand and listen to me.
Correct.
So I love when a man can do that. I love
Okay.
it.
Biggest intimacy killer.
Biggest intimacy killer is performance, yaar. Don't run behind performing in bed. That is don't have an end game. Don't have a goal. Ki, I have to make my woman orgasm or my man has to orgasm. The goals mat banao intimacy mein. Just be present and create your own story. Create your own video, you know. It's beautiful. That is a biggest killer for me. Stop
planning,
performing.
plotting.
Mat karo. Haan. Planning, plotting mat karo, yaar.
Okay.
Seriously.
Morning intimacy or midnight intimacy, and why?
So, men's testosterone, very honestly, is at peak in the morning. They love morning sex and intimacy and cuddles and teasing, and they love all of that. So, for men, morning, and women ke saath kya hota hai, especially after they've been married with kids and, you know, work and all, their mornings are like hustle. So, they're like, oh, we'll do it later in the night. So, wahan pe bhi ek disconnect hai. But I think both to each his own. But there has to be a communication to that. I think, again, you need to balance it. Women also need to be okay with mornings sometimes, and nights are fun too. But क्या हो जाता है ना, जब रात को and morning में especially जब ये सब होता है ना, बहुत fast हो जाती हैं चीज़ें.
Okay.
कि अरे I have to sleep, I have an early morning. अरे I have to go to work, hurry up, let's get it over with. These sentences are very hurtful. So ये थोड़ा you have to be mindful of this space when you're doing.
वक्त दीजिए.
वक्त दीजिए.
Okay. Good kisser या good texter?
Kisser. For me. You're talking about me, right?
Yeah.
Me.
And in general, like if you're talking
I'm not
about...
a texter.
Okay.
मैं सिर्फ voice notes भेजती हूँ.
Okay.
I get very tired texting. I'm old school millennial. I hate texting.
Okay.
So yeah.
Sleeping cuddled या फिर अपनी side?
15 minute cuddle karo, fir please leave me alone. Then I need my pillow.
Okay.
But I remember, but when I'm in a relationship, I always have this one part of my body touching my partner. But I have a pillow on one side. Yeah.
One finger.
So 15 minutes cuddle, then one finger or leg or bum. Something is touching behind. I don't know why.
Okay. Can bad kissing be a deal breaker?
Yes. Yes.
Have people separated because of this?
I don't know about that. To be honest, I don't have clients who've come to me because they've separated because of bad kissing. But I'm assuming that is also a start, no? Kissing kya hai? It's a part of the foreplay.
Right.
Ab kissing hi theek se nahi hui to a lot of times the build up.
Isn't it very subjective? Bad kissing, how do you decide?
No, it's again to each his own, yaar.
Okay.
It's very customized.
Okay.
Kissing is also very customized.
Okay.
Some people like it really slow, some like it very deep and connected and passionate. But uska bhi, every time you're in this space, it's a different kiss, no? But yeah, but I know some people who are genuinely like, they don't know how to. I think they should learn because it's not rocket science.
Okay.
So, and uske liye you need your partner to communicate, na?
Okay.
वो ईगो ड्रॉप करना बहुत जरूरी है.
Somebody told me that one of their friends were talking about it and the partner was like peck. And she was really turned off. Yeah. But then see again, if you're just casually doing it, then it's okay. You can get out.
But if you really love someone and you want to make that relationship work, and if the kissing is bad, आप बैठ के बात तो कर ही सकते हो ना कि ऐसे नहीं, I don't like it. और सामने वालों को फिर तो फिर relationship भी नहीं work होगी ना. So these are small things that are going to make your relationship so much better.
Right.
करो drop ego क्या है? If someone tells me I'm a bad kisser, I would ask them, and if I really like that person, I'm like, please tell me, what can I do better? I really would. This is what is important, nahi?
No, I think okay. So who usually overthinks about intimacy more, men or women?
Men only.
Okay.
Men overthink.
Okay.
And that's why they have performance problems, because they are so okay. Now, very important question. Premature ejaculation जो हो रहा है, 1 out of maybe 500 men is a biological problem. Baki sab is because of overthinking. Okay. They get excited sometimes too fast, all the time. Once in a while I understand. Sometimes they're always excited. Sometimes they're always scared. Am I doing it right? Is my woman enjoying it? What is she feeling? Overthink करके ही पूरा खत्म हो जाता है scene. Men overthink more than women, but women का भी एक जगह है where I have noticed, and it's happened with me and my clients and all my friends we've spoken about.
Please tell.
Okay, you tell me right or wrong, ठीक है?
Okay.
So there are times when we are in the process of reaching orgasm. कई बार हुआ है last minute we are like, fuck, I lost it. हुआ है ना? You're about to, like 3, 4, 5 seconds में you're about to orgasm and you're like, fuck, I lost it. And then the man's like, shit, and I'm like, I'm sorry. And then the whole... Again, because we suddenly shifted, or poor thing, maybe the man changed doing something, or I shifted my... And it's not just in partnership, even during masturbation. We lose it sometimes, and that's all because of overthinking. तो हम सब कर रहे हैं. हो जाता है, it's okay.
Fake orgasms भी होते हैं.
भाई, women are queens of fake orgasms. But yeah, even that needs to be sorted again. Because it's not required. एक तो ये porn देख के excessively चीखना चिल्लाना हो गया है, which is not really how it should be. And then we're just giving validation to each other, but are we really feeling it? Like for men, we know if they've orgasmed or not. It's very easy. But for a woman, it's so easy to just say, okay, let's get over it. So.
Okay. So one question every couple should ask each other before getting married.
Very honestly, seeing the way the world is, I think sexual compatibility. बहुत ज़रूरी है पूछना how comfortable you are, with, and how far are you ready to go with in this space, of the fantasy world that may come out. Because 15 साल 20 साल आप वही दाल चावल खाते रहोगे तो you will get bored and you will go outside and look. So the best way is to have a healthy conversation on the sexual piece, understanding each other's capacity, capability, हम कहाँ तक ready हैं जाने के लिए, to hold this relationship together. This is a piece that is missing.
But arranged marriage setup में ये थोड़ा difficult होता है ये conversation.
Of course difficult है. Occupational hazard भी है of arranged marriage. I understand that. But I think today the world is changing. I don't know about the smaller cities, but at least in bigger cities, I think people are getting more communicative. Couples are getting more time to spend with each other.
But कभी-कभी आप ऐसे जज भी तो कर लेते हो कि अभी से मतलब सीधे इसी की बात शुरू हो.
नहीं, you don't directly talk about it, but it is a very important piece. यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी struggle चल रही है, insecurities, fears. I have this beautiful 26-year-old man who reached out to me. He said, Shruti, I'm engaged. I'm just getting married in like 3 months. I'm a virgin. I don't know what to do.
Oh.
So we started from scratch. I was guiding him on how to take this journey forward, how to make his woman feel comfortable, how hold space for her, because uski safety pe dependent hai unka intimacy. ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Women come from a place of safety and they are not wrong. Their physical and emotional safety in a relationship should be top priority. And for that, this conversation needs to happen.
So complete the sentence. The secret to a long-lasting relationship is?
Communication. Number 1, top of the list. You have to start communicating without judging each other. Stop judging. And number 2, laughter.
Okay.
Yeah, communication and laughter. We forget to laugh. Life becomes too serious. So yeah, these are 2 top things for me.
Okay. So on that note, let's laugh, let's communicate, and let's be happy.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shruti.
Thank you so much for having me. It was awesome.